My name's Paul Wheeler. I'm the sales manager here in Europe for Squid Ink Manufacturing, part of the Engage Technologies Corporation out of the US. And we're at Interpack day one, and we're looking forward to the week ahead. We are showcasing our inkjet and laser coding, marking and printing technology for the packaging industry. That's the objective, and we're looking forward to meeting people from all over the world, distributors and end users. On the stand today, we are showcasing inkjet printing technology, primarily the long throw co-pilot printer, which is a world first, being able to print over ½ an inch or 14, 15, 16 millimeters throw distance. We're also showcasing the Gemini printer, a 140 millimeter high printer, as well as some laser printing technology. So we're looking forward to having a good week ahead.